Governor of Edo State, Monday, Okpebholo, has described Senator Adams Oshiomole as his father, emphasizing that his relationship with Oshiomole goes beyond politics, adding that they share a strong bond. Okpebholo stated this on Wednesday during a valedictory session organized in his honor by the Senate. He noted that he can always count on the senator's advice. Recall that Okpebholo was the senator representing Edo Central until his election as governor in September 2024. Speaking during the session, the governor said, "Special mention goes to my father and dependable leader, Adams Oshiomole. Being from the same state, we share a bond that goes beyond politics, and I can always count on you for advice as I take on my new responsibility." However, Oshiomole clears air on returning as Edo North Senator for the third term, saying he has no such intention. NaijaNews reports that Oshiomole made this known while responding to a remark by the Senate President, Okpebholo, during a valedictory session in the Red Chamber on Wednesday. Okpebholo voiced his concern regarding the potential retirement of Senator Oshiomole by Okpebholo should the Edo State governor decide to return to the Senate. In response, Oshiomole refuted Okpebholo's concerns, clarifying that Okpebholo does not belong to his senatorial district. Prior to his election as governor of Edo State, Okpebholo served as the representative for the Edo Central Senatorial District. During the session, Okpebholo remarked, "Distinguished Senator Oshiomole, before you conclude, I was under the impression that he was from your senatorial district." In a swift response, Oshiomole said, "No, sir, he's from Edo Central." The Senate President added, "Okay, otherwise he may retire you when he comes back." Oshiomole responded, "By the time he's coming back, I might already be retired, because if you add 8 years to the current figure, I do not intend to do 3 terms here." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.